Hello, beautiful. I'm so glad you're here, and I can't wait to take you on this journey. Welcome to the world of makeup, where creativity and self-expression come together in the most colorful ways. If you're new, it can feel overwhelming. So many products, shades, and techniques. But don't worry, I'm here to help you every step of the way. Today, we're starting with foundation, the essential base for your entire look, and the first step to building your confidence. Think of it as your canvas, smooth even, and ready for creativity. Just like an artist, you get to decide what masterpiece you'll create. Foundation evens out your skin tone, covers redness, and preps your face for the rest of your makeup. It's the secret to a flawless finish. Finding the right shade can be tricky, but once you do, it's pure magic. It's like discovering a filter you can wear in real life. It boosts your confidence and lets your natural beauty shine through, enhancing what makes you unique. This guide is your treasure map to finding that perfect match, with tips and tricks to make the process fun and easy. We'll talk undertones, swatching, and how to test shades the right way, so you'll always feel confident in your choice. No need to be a pro, just be yourself. Makeup is for everyone, no matter your skill level. Remember, makeup is about fun and self-expression, not hiding who you are. It's a way to play, experiment, and celebrate yourself. Your skin is unique, and that's what makes this journey special. Every face tells a different story, and yours is worth celebrating. We're here to celebrate your skin and help it glow, so you can feel radiant inside and out. So, get ready for a creative, colorful adventure to find your perfect foundation. There's a world of possibilities waiting for you. Take a deep breath, get excited, and let's begin. You're about to unlock a whole new level of confidence. This is your stop-motion guide to foundation, starring you as the main character in your own beauty story. Let's make it fun, easy, and all about you. Ready? Let's dive in. Your perfect foundation awaits, and I'll be right here cheering you on. Ever seen someone whose face and neck are totally different colors? It's a common sight, and it instantly gives away that something's off with their makeup. That's the wrong foundation shade. It can make your skin look patchy, dull, or even mask-like, drawing attention for all the wrong reasons. The right foundation should blend so well, no one knows you're wearing it. It should melt into your skin, creating a flawless, invisible finish. It brightens your face, evens your skin, and lets your real beauty show. You'll notice your features look more defined and your complexion more radiant. The perfect shade works with your skin, not against it. No ghostly pale, no orange mask. It enhances your natural undertones, making you look healthy and fresh. It's like wearing clothes that fit perfectly, comfortable, confident, and natural. You feel at ease and your confidence shines through. When your foundation matches, everything else, blush, bronzer, looks better too. Your makeup blends seamlessly, and colors pop just the way they should. It's the secret to that "I woke up like this" glow. You'll look effortlessly put together, even on your busiest days. Taking time to find your shade is self-care and boosts your confidence. It's a small act that makes a big difference in how you feel about yourself. No more makeup lines or mismatched tones. Just smooth, even skin that looks and feels like your own. It's the difference between amateur and pro, even for beginners. The right shade instantly elevates your look, no matter your skill level. That's why we're focusing on getting it right. Finding your match is the first step to unlocking your best makeup looks. Your perfect foundation is out there, and it'll change your whole beauty routine. Let's find it together. Ready for your game changer? Because once you do, you'll never look back. Let's unlock the secret of undertones. Understanding your undertone is the first step to finding makeup that truly looks natural on you. Your undertone is the subtle color beneath your skin's surface, cool, warm, or neutral. It's what gives your complexion its unique glow and affects how colors look on you. Unlike your skin tone, your undertone never changes, even if you tan or get lighter in winter. To find yours, check your wrist veins. If they look blue or purple, you likely have cool undertones. Green or olive veins mean you're warm. If you see a mix, you're probably neutral. Cool undertones often show hints of pink, red, or even bluish hues in your skin. Warm undertones have yellow, golden, or peachy hints, while neutral is a balanced mix of both. Try the jewelry test. Silver jewelry flatters cool undertones, gold looks best on warm, and if both look great, you're likely neutral. Foundation labels can help too. Look for C for cool, W for warm, or N for neutral undertones. Knowing your undertone narrows your choices fast, making shopping so much easier and less overwhelming. Skip the guesswork. Focus only on shades that truly work for you and avoid costly mistakes. You've just cracked the code to easier, more confident foundation shopping. Ready to find your perfect match? Let's keep going and discover the best shade for you. You've picked a few shades. Now it's time to swatch. Don't test on your hand. Test on your jawline for the best match. Draw stripes from cheek to neck with 2 or 3 shades. Step into natural light. Store lighting can fool you. The shade that disappears into your skin is your winner. Wait a few minutes. Some foundations change color as they dry, oxidation. Check again. If it still blends perfectly, you've found the one. This patience saves you from buying the wrong shade. Swatching like a pro means no more mismatched foundation. Trust your eyes in daylight. Now you know how to find your perfect match. Let's move on. Foundation shopping can be in-store or online. In-store, you can swatch, see colors in person, and get expert help. Don't hesitate to ask for advice or a sample to try at home. Samples let you test foundation in different lights and for a full day. Online shopping is trickier, but brands offer shade quizzes and photo tools. Use sites like Foundation to match shades across brands. Read reviews and watch videos from people with similar skin. Do your research before buying online. Once you know your shade in one brand, it's easier to shop others. Combine online tools and community reviews for confident choices. Whether in-store or online, you've got this. Let's find your perfect match. Your skin type matters for foundation. Oily skin? Go for oil-free or matte foundations, and use a mattifying primer. Dry skin? Choose hydrating, dewy formulas with ingredients like hyaluronic acid. Use a hydrating primer for extra comfort and glow. Combination skin? Try a satin finish or mix primers for different areas. For acne or redness, pick non-comedogenic, medium to full coverage foundations. Use concealer only where needed. No need for heavy layers. Yellow or golden undertones help neutralize redness. The right formula makes your skin look and feel its best. Tailor your foundation to your unique needs. Celebrate your skin's individuality. Let's make your foundation work for you. You've learned the essentials. Now it's time to have fun. There are no strict rules, just guidelines to help you start. Experiment with formulas, finishes, and brands. Find what makes you feel happy and confident. Makeup is self-expression. Your face is your canvas. Some days go natural, other days go glam. Don't stress if you don't find your match right away. It's a journey. Every try teaches you something new. Walk into stores or browse online with confidence. Enjoy discovering your skin and your style. Your beauty is unique. Makeup is just a way to celebrate it. Embrace your inner artist and have fun. You've got this. Your foundation adventure starts now.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.